We fear the dark because we believe monsters live only in fairy tales. But in the deepest, most concealed corners of Earth, evolution has never cared about morality. Infinite regeneration, neurotoxins, sonic weapons. These are not magic. They are nature's most perfected killing machines, engineered solely for survival. Today, we take a scientific scalpel and cut through the skin of myth to reveal the raw flesh beneath. Welcome to the Abyss, the scientific truth behind mythical creatures, Part 2. Rank 5, the Chupacabra. Its name means the blood drinker, but in the language of biology, its true name is pain. This is not a demon from hell. It is a coyote ravaged by mites. Parasites strip away its fur, turning skin into a blue-gray shell, like a corpse walking under moonlight. It drinks blood not out of cruelty, but because its weakened body can no longer chase fast-moving prey. This is not a curse. It is life, emitting a silent scream at the edge of collapse. Rank 4. The Basilisk. Stare into those cold, vertical pupils. There is no rage, only the purest focus of a predator. Its body is armored in rock-rough scales, its upper torso raised, motionless, as if time itself has forgotten it, waiting for a single fatal moment. The so-called petrifying gaze is simply time forced into pause, not magic. This is chemistry, taken to its evolutionary extreme. Specialized glands eject a highly volatile neurotoxic mist. Once inhaled, neural signals are severed instantly, muscles locked into violent tetanic spasm. Life continues, but movement ends. What appears to be eternal stone is merely flesh betrayed by its own nervous system. A statue of terror cast from living tissue. Rank 3. The Siren. In the deep sea, sound is not melody. It is an invisible net. These aquatic primates do not sing, they vibrate. Using enlarged cranial structures, they emit high-frequency sonar shockwaves. The energy penetrates water, shattering the inner ear balance of prey, inducing severe disorientation and auditory hallucinations. Sailors do not hear temptation. They hear their own brains collapsing under oxygen deprivation. Victims are not lured. They walk step by step toward drowning inside an illusion. Rank 2. The Hydra. This is not magic. It is biological, infinite regeneration. Scientists believe this colossal amphibian possesses the most powerful stem cell system in the animal kingdom. When attacked, its metabolic rate surges, transforming wounds into opportunities for growth. This is not injury. It is tactical fission. Neural signals guide muscle fibers to reorganize at extreme speed, differentiating into new attack appendages. To destroy the Hydra's body is futile. Every strike only makes it stronger and deadlier. Rank 1. The Kraken. When we gaze into the abyss does not merely stare back, it is thinking. This is not a giant squid. It is a form of intelligence utterly alien to our own, a distributed mind. There is no single command center. Its neural network spans the entire body. Every tentacle, every muscle fiber thinks independently, fears independently, kills independently. In the pitch-black midnight zone, it is the ultimate master of invisibility. Its skin contains millions of chromatophores, capable of instant shifts in color and texture, allowing a colossal body to vanish into darkness itself. Legends claim it devours ships, not from malice, but because it mistakes the massive shadow beneath a hull for its one true enemy, the sperm whale. This is a war that has raged for tens of millions of years. The Kraken is not a monster. It is the will of the abyss itself, and in its enormous, lidless eyes, humanity is nothing more than dust, briefly drifting into a god's domain. From disease-born vampires to genetically unrestrained hydras, these monsters reveal a truth more unsettling than myth. Nature's imagination often surpasses humanity's most deranged nightmares. Science did not kill myth. It simply revealed the colder, yet far more magnificent path of evolution beneath it. I am Omni Luma. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and continue searching for answers at the edge of the unknown.